What's up, everybody? It's Shadow Trades, and we're talking about how to edit your sounds very quick, like Jimmy John's fast. Let's do it. So if you didn't catch any of that stuff from the beginning, this is basically how to edit your sounds very quickly, very easily, your audio and all your videos. But before we get started, make sure you drop a like and subscribe because we got more videos coming all the time. Now let's get started. 2 effects you need to know. Single band compressor, right? Vocal enhancer. I guess I could have just used one hand. Vocal enhancer. Both of these are audio effects that you can drag right onto your clip. All you have to do is drag them onto the clip. Like I said, go to effects and controls, click edit, and then once you click edit for single, let's start with single band compressor. Click edit on single band compressor and you'll have a drop down menu where you have tons of options to edit the audio. Usually I will do like a vocal booster, a vocal or voice leveler. I forgot which one it was. It's one of those, but clicking one of those to go with booster. If we go vocal booster, then you'll see that my audio gets a lot louder like it does right now. For vocal enhancer, it's gonna be the same thing. You go down to edit again, except you're gonna select whether you're a male or female. I'm a male, so I'm gonna make sure that the drop down menu says male and that the dot is also clicked male. So there you guys go. Those are 2 simple effects that you can use to help your audio out whenever you're editing your videos. If you guys want to learn how to get rid of the hissing in your videos, if you have that problem, click this card right here. I'm about to cut out. That's it for this video. And yeah, if you liked the video, if it helped you out, drop a like because I need them. Comment if you have any questions all the time. Subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Keep it easy, stay cheesy. Peace.